Hi everyone, I'm Shovia. Let's talking about animal. The lion. The lion is wild animal, and the color of lion is orange and brown. Lion eat meat, and the lion lives in jungle. I like a lion because it's king of the jungle. It has style, a strong body, and beautiful color. I know the lion's sound is far. I can see lion at the zoo. The bird. The bird is red, and the color of bird is red. Bird is green, and the bird lives in forest. I like a bird because it's beautiful animal. It has beautiful color. I know the bird sound is cheep cheep. I can see bird at the zoo and forest. Thank you very much.